it was just after Christmas we noticed he just wasn't quite right. And they did a scan and we got a call and they said, he's got cancer of the spleen. It's unique to dogs. Do you want us to wake him up again? And so we had to make a decision. And so we took him home that night. And our children, Phoenix and Eden, are 10 and 8. And so the dog came first, and for all of their lives, he's been there. He's been present for them. And we sat them down and we said that he'd been to the vet and he wasn't going to get better. And we didn't know how long he was going to be with us. And we said that there might come a time when he gets really ill or he gets really not well very quickly. And we might call the vet to help him on his way. And so we spoke about the presence of death. And we spoke about choices. We said when the vet comes, you have a choice. You have a choice that if you'd like to be there, we'll support you being there. And if you don't want to be there, we'll support you in not being there too. And both those decisions are right. It's whatever's right for you. It was about another 3 weeks till Eden's 8th birthday. And he said that all he wanted was for Angus to be there for his birthday. And Phoenix, who used to walk Angus every Saturday morning, and often it was a chore he didn't want to take on, he said that all he wanted was to take him for a walk one more time. And it was an extraordinary time. Because in the presence of death, everybody becomes more present. What else matters? In the presence of death, choices become so much simpler. And we spent a time of being truly present with the choices we were making, no matter how hard they were. And each day, Angus was still Angus. A little bit more tired, perhaps. A little bit less interested in his food. And he made it to Eden's birthday, which was just amazing. We never thought it would happen. But the next day he stopped eating. And we asked the vet to come to our house because he's always been there. And Phoenix and Eden decided they wanted to be there too. very special place where both of our children were born. And Angus was tired. And he lay down in my lap. And I held his head in my hand, and my other hand was on his chest. And I could feel his heart beating. And then it stopped. And we all sat there together. And we said goodbye. And we took him into the garden. Because that's where he's always been. And we had a grave for him. And we said our farewell. And it was such a remarkable experience to see how our children responded, and what it called out in us as their parents, about being able to tell the truth, no matter how painful it felt, and to make these kinds of choices. But most of all, just the extraordinary presence it created with each other. Everything else just fell away.